You delay because waiting feels safer than starting. But safety is an illusion. Every moment postponed is a moment lost forever. The Stoics understood this deeply. They called it living in accordance with nature. Not tomorrow's nature, not next week's readiness, today's immediate reality. Marcus Aurelius faced endless tasks as emperor. His secret? He asked one question: what prevents me from acting now? Usually nothing but fear. Here's the method. Step 1. Choose the smallest possible action, not the whole project. Just one breath-sized move. Do it immediately. Step 2. Notice the resistance dissolve. Your mind creates mountains from molehills. Action reveals the truth. Most tasks are lighter than anticipated. Step 3. Repeat before momentum fades. The Stoics knew discipline is built through consistent small wins, not heroic bursts of energy. Epictetus taught his students that hesitation is a choice. You're choosing comfort over growth. You're trading future freedom for present ease. Seneca observed we suffer more in imagination than reality. Procrastination is fear dressed as productivity. Action is the only antidote available. The gap between intention and action defines your life. Close it now, not perfectly, not completely, just honestly and immediately. Comment done after completing step 1. Proof to yourself that delay ends when decision begins. The power was always yours.